All right, let's begin. Click, click, click. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Confederation Park. We are here to talk about the brand new Wotancraft 3.5 liter pilot bag in full grain leather. And I did an unboxing and first look, and this is an actual day off with Camera Girl. Went to Chinatown, had some really good Chinese Hong Kong barbecue, and I brought out my Leica camera M10R with the 40mm roll core, and this is exactly how I carried this bag on my day off. So let's take a look. First of all, if you come in close, Camera Girl, you can see I just put a little bit of the Leica pin, the little red dot there. Wotancraft did say that this bag here is matched to their new paracord, parastrap leather and paracord straps. You can see this red kind of paracord here, and if you see on this side here, you can see the little red paracord. And what should hang here? Well, as I showed in my unboxing, is this little pouch here, this leather pouch, and you basically attach it onto the side. I put change here because, of course, if you're in Chinatown, you're always using cash. You got to keep cash on you. And also here I have my Wesson knife. It's actually the blueberry. I think it's called blueberry. It's a limited edition. Camera Girl still wants to take it from me, but I've so far resisted. But this is just like a keychain pocket knife. And this also, because it has that little loop here, just loop it on here. So I'm going to just, Camera Girl, if you can just kind of get in tight there. So that's what it looks like on the side. And on the grab handle, which is nice and solid, I just have my hero clip. So as I usually show, if I'm out and about at a restaurant and I have nowhere to put this, I can just hang this off the edge of the table, or if you go to the washroom, anywhere where you can, even out in nature, you can just hang this off of a branch. You can hang this anywhere you want. So it's a very functional carabiner. And you do have the back zip. And what I put in here is just not my main wallet. I always call it my secondary wallet. You guys have seen me show this many times. But in here, I have like my Costco card, club membership, stamp cards, things I don't use all the time. So that is enough to fit here, enough to fit two little things in here. So even my regular wallet here, even my main wallet here, extra, it has the, the magnetic blocking thingy. This could still fit right next to the other wallet here. Right there. So two wallets in the back here. And as you notice, if you are used to the Pilot series, the non-leather series, the Codura, they have MOLLE on the sides and the back. This one here, they have the little loop on the side. The designer did not want any MOLLE on the sides here. So I'm a little bit sad. I wish they had MOLLE and then they had leather accessories to put on there. I thought even maybe a little, you can maybe hang something off of here. I wish it was a bit of a loop, but no loop. What they do have, though, is this nice little pull tab with the Wotancraft logo. And even the strap is leather. Look at the top here. Leather along here, leather piping, and there's a little leather patch on the edge. So let's look at what's inside this bag. Camera Girl, if you can get a little bit closer here. So there is a front zip here. So you can fit, I got like pens. I have actually what I'm using now, which is the Ulanzi J12 to actually record the audio for this video. And then I have my Anchor wireless charger for my iPhone. And then you just got like pens, chapstick, things like that, right? Tide pen, those kind of things. But there is no organized pockets in the front. So they kind of slide around. So I just keep it vertical, the pens and the Tide pen, and then just shove these things down the front like this. And it's wide enough so you basically got charger, J12s, and then pens, Tide pen standing up straight. And I've also layered this. You can see here, I have my little film point and shoot here. Still borrowing this from Chris Meets Chris, the DL Super Mini Fujifilm here. And I have a shopping bag right over here. And then this is the inside. Gives you one flap. So on the one side, I have my little Lockbee, I think it is, little notepad, zippered notepad here. You can put all your pens on the outside. And here you go right here, Lockbee. And then I also have a SF24D Leica flash for my M10R over here. And what else will fit on this side? Camera will go in. What will fit? Look at that. Q3. And again, with the new strap system here. So I don't really use wrist straps, but since Wotancraft said it matches the bag and it also matches the strap, I thought I would at least show it. So I'm not a wrist strap shooter just because I want both my hands free. So as you can tell, if I didn't have all these things in my hands, this just hangs off my neck. So when I need it, it's there. When I don't need it, I can ignore it. And so that's why I don't shoot wrist straps. I know a lot of people do. So this is kind of cool. Looks nice. Q3. So that's the kind of space you can have in here is the Q3, and it's in sideways like this. And then flip this over, and then I have my flash. I have this. So I put these things inside like this. And then with this flap over, see how it gives you a little tabletop, right? So it's pretty much stuffed to the very top. Close it up. And here's my 3.5 liter Pilot as I'm out and about with Camera Girl on my day off. And so this is how I've packed the 3.5 liter. I don't know if that's big enough for you. Personally, I still like my 7 liter Pilot, but I have to admit, when I'm with Camera Girl, she actually has the 2 liter, and I'll embed it. We rarely twin when it comes to shoes or clothing, but today with these bags here, you want to pass it over, Camera Girl, or you want to? There it goes. So she has it there, but I'll embed some pictures. So she used the 2 liter. She thought it was a good size because there's no zippers. Because you have a fid lock, it is great to have cameras. Because as you go in and out, there's no zipper here, no chance of scratching your camera. So that's kind of the beauty of the Pilot. But if you want something a little bit more premium, then it's nice that Wotancraft created a 3.5 and a 2 liter Pilot leather. The only thing I wish for is a 7 liter Pilot. And so I asked Rick to talk to the designer. We'll see what he says, but I think a 7 liter Pilot would solve a lot of my problems. And so that's it. Thank you so much, Camera Girl, for being Camera Girl. And just to show you, just quickly here, this is my new Ironheart N1 deck jacket, whipcord material, oiled. So it's kind of like a wax canvas, but it's not wax. And it's alpaca wool lined on the inside. Great for the winter. And I'm 5'5", as I always say. And so Japanese cut jackets, you can see it's just the perfect size. This is a small on me. It's a little tight. If I went medium, it would have been a lot nicer, and I could wear thicker clothes, but this is a really warm jacket. And although it has the really gnarly zippers in the front, because when you close this up, you also have the button over. So if you have a camera in the front, you don't have to worry about the camera bumping up against a zipper. And so N1 jacket, Ironheart. I'll put links down below if you want to go check it out. I got it from TJ at the shop Vancouver. TJ, and I don't think he even has much left. These things sell out really fast, and there's also one more colorway. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll talk to you soon, and happy shooting. Click, click, click. Peace.